What's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. I know it has been a while. Please be a friend, tell a friend, like, share, and subscribe. Please subscribe if you have not already. It really helps, and I appreciate you guys as always. I know it's been a while, but we are on our way to Rock Crusher Farm. They're opening it up this weekend for this month, and we are going to have ourselves a CRF250F Fest, y'all. It is just myself coming down here to Rock Crusher Farm. We are going to be meeting up though with quite a few of our buddies, and we're gonna have 3 CRF250Fs. I did bring, of course, the Cowie. It did lose the pole for what we were mostly gonna ride and film with, so this will be a CRF video, baby. But we did bring the Cowie just in case anything was to happen to the Honda. So let's go ahead and see what kind of excitement we can get into here for this weekend. Y'all can see some beautiful scenery here as we're driving through. I do love where I live, baby. Nothing like these Tennessee mountains, but let's see what we get into. Let's get it. And now this is what we get. You can hardly see any of the roadways, and the roads are starting to get flooded. I'm sure tomorrow is going to be such a treat.
It says, see, I'm not just being a mud pussy, I'm also being the TV pussy. Figure out where the mud holes are, watch. Oh yeah. Watch where on the other side of almost all the humps, man. I don't know if I stay behind Tom, I'll know where they're at. Damn, I'm burning up, dude. I'm sweating bad. See, that's what's cool about here too, because it's dirt bikes only, man.
Oh yeah.
So you get the variety of shit you can look at.
Is it all one way?
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
Yep.
Where are we going now?
I guess we'll do 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Here, we'll just start exploring some more, man. I figure to maybe some of these people get on this shit and get it dried out for us.
Create some ruts for us. Some dried out ruts. Oh yeah.
It's good. Good training place if you ask me.
I missed at the butthole.
This trail here, pretty cool. Got some pretty good downhills. Little mixture of everything.
Yeah.
And being wet, I don't know, we might be in trouble at a couple spots. But I figure, fuck it, we'll try it anyway, right?
All right, guys. Hey, quick intermission. Got to go ahead and just give you a FYI here, an update on the GoPro situation. I am done with them. I am so sick and tired. Yes, this is going to be a mini rant. I'm so tired of those damn things. I've gone through 3, nothing but issues. Yes, they keep sending me new ones, which is great. However, if I can't rely on them 4 or 5 months down the road, I don't want the damn thing. So, yes, this is my intermission rant. I'm done with them. I'm sorry you guys did get the footage, little bit of footage that you guys did get. Didn't get any of the hard enduro, none of the really tough single track that we got hung up on. Didn't even get to really complete. But we did ride the CRF250F, 275 with the big bore from Force Cam the entire time. The thing did absolutely amazing. We did end up bending a few things, breaking a few things, lost some rear brake pressure, stuff like that. But anyway, we'll have a separate video on all that. But I do apologize on GoPro's behalf because they once again have just destroyed a damn trip and recording some good footage. So we got what we got. Anyway, we're still pushing it out here. This is just more of a rock crusher ride now. So anyway, I think it's more so just trail 1, maybe a little bit of trail 3 before the GoPro completely took a crap and died on us at 10:30 in the morning, not even halfway through the day. So enjoy. We've got a lot of stuff coming up though. Got a few more rides. We've got a couple races and all. We'll see. Stay tuned and enjoy what we do have. Appreciate y'all as always.
We're gonna go 3. All right, dude, you ready?
Whoa! Half Mile High Club.
Dad, you gotta go all the way to the top.
Hell yeah!
You wanna try it? A half a mile. It goes all the way through that tower up
Oh yeah, I see. pull down here because I can't stop right there. That shit's too slick locking up rear brakes if you're going in anything over first. Way too slick. Well, you ain't getting that hill.
No, got it.
I got about 3/4 of the way up, and then she was just spinning after that, man. She wouldn't go any further.